Over in 27, 6A, we've got another great matchup, Johnson versus South San Antonio.
Our Brooke Shoemaker joins us now from Bobcat Stadium with a little pregame music.
Jill, Adriana, we're about 2 hours away from game time where the Bobcats will be hosting the Johnson Jags, but I'm here with the band who is getting us hyped up for the game. How do you guys really get the fans hyped up for Friday Night Lights?
We start with our cadences, and then we usually play something called 94. It gets the crowd pretty going. It's pretty cool.
So 94, you would say, is the biggest cadence that gets everyone hyped up?
Yes.
Can we hear some of that?
Sure.
All right, let's go, guys.
94?
94? Woo.
You're watching Sports Tonight, San Antonio's only nightly 30-minute sportscast with exclusive sports coverage you won't find anywhere else.